what is the fastest way to push your products to the very top of Lazada for more Lazada customers to buy your product? Ding, ding, ding. So it is using Lazada ads. So today we are talking about Lazada sponsored discovery, which is a keyword ads. Okay, you want to learn what is the secrets and what is the new things for this year 2022? Okay, let's start the video on the ads, how you can do this, and what are the things that you should press and what are the things that you should not press.
So before I proceed, let me introduce myself. I am Kong, Lazada Senior Certified Trainer, e-commerce entrepreneur, and I just won Lazada Woman of the Year this year. Yay! Okay, I've helped thousands of my students, whether from physical classes to online classes, to grow their online sales in Lazada and Shopee and other e-commerce platforms. So I've guided them through, step by step, and on what you should do and what not to do, and what that you should not waste money on. Because when I just started, I had nobody to guide me through. I made so much mistakes and lost a lot of money because of this stupid mistakes. So if you want me to guide you along the way to get to the fastest route to get the most sales, please click the link below to contact me.
Okay, let's start. Okay, remember before you start, you need to top up the money here first, then only you can start your ads. Okay, so in Lazada, sponsored discovery is pay per click, whatever keywords or whichever Lazada push. So first, if you want to do, okay, you press new campaign. Okay, remember there is in Lazada, right? There is two types of campaigns. One is automated and one is standard. Okay, one account only allow one automated per shop. Okay, so because mine is already running automated, so I cannot show you today. Okay, but automated means Lazada will choose for you the keywords, they will choose for you the products, and you do not get to control what products get pushed out. Okay, but it's for you if you are newbie, just started out, please use automated. If you're more at one stage, please use standard. Okay, so here I would choose, okay, I will name my campaign first. Okay, today is the 6 example. Okay, so this one is if you want Lazada to show to the most number of people, you choose traffic, but I always choose sales because sales will show my product to my competitors customers or those who have interest in similar products. Okay, then you choose standard and then you put in a budget. So normally I will put in 5 ringgit per product and then we press next. Okay, then this is the part I choose my product. Okay, here if you notice, I can choose those that are top search, top selling, and even trending products. Like a lot of people want to buy but they have not buy yet. Okay, so but if you want a specific item, okay, let's say I would choose something that not too cheap because per click is already don't know how much, right? Okay, so maybe I will choose something like say I want to push out this product. Okay, so if I want to push out this product, I confirm. Okay, and then you see here, you can choose more than one product if you want, up to 100, but normally I will choose 1 or 2 only maximum. Okay, if you choose automated, okay, Lazada will choose all the keywords for you and including how much that you need to pay per click. But if you have a very low budget and you want to keep it within your budget, you choose standard. If you have absolutely no idea, you choose automated. Okay, so for today, let's practice with standard. Okay, and this is the new thing ongoing in Lazada, that you have first search slot. Okay, you can increase your bid up to a certain percent that Lazada shows you to push your item to the very top. Okay, and then if you don't want to increase, then you just zero it. Okay, but if you want to push to the very top, you please keep this going. Okay, let's say right now, if you want to choose specific keywords, I would untick this. Okay, and then about one by one, I would choose those that have a high search volume. Like example 1, I would not choose 1. Okay, I would choose those that at least above 100. Okay, at least above 100. So example this one, okay, this one, that's relevant to your product. Okay, so like example, this one, so let's say that I've chosen a few, okay, and remember here is 83 cents per click. Okay, you don't need to choose every single thing. You have to go to edit bid price and set, for example, let's say 83 cents, I want it 50 cents. Okay, example. Okay, so those that keywords that you chose is 50 cents, and we press next. Okay, so you can see here everything is per bid is 50 cents per click. Okay, and I did not increase my first search slot. If you want to go to the very top, please do that. And ta-da, I already can press submit. Okay, so that's just as simple as that. Okay, try it out and see how much that Lazada push your product to the very top and get more sales for your store.
So I hope that you enjoy learning all about Lazada ads. Okay, remember, if you need extra training, okay, or you need to grow your business, you want more strategies to grow your business as big as me, okay, don't hesitate to contact me down below. And for you all here, please give me a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, which I share a lot of tips for you guys. Okay, so that's it for me now. Thank you. Bye bye.